I'm going to draw a peacock, one of the most colorful birds in nature, using only graphite pencils. It feels almost like a contradiction, doesn't it? Can the essence of something so vivid still come through in shades of gray? Let's find out. I'm Leah, I'm a visual artist, and in this video I'll share another page of my small sketchbook. In my previous video it was a gouache study of a Chinese lantern flower, and this time is a graphite study of a peacock, and I hope you like it. I started by drawing an oval shape to position the peacock's head on the page. At the beginning of a sketch, I'm focused on establishing the larger forms that will serve as base for the drawing. Next, I sketched a triangle for the beak and two curves to define the edges of the bird's neck and body. With the main elements in place, I moved on to drawing the features of its face, like the eye and the beautiful areas of color around it. Although I'm not going to add color to these areas, I'll use different tonal values and textures, meaning various shades of gray and types of line, to create contrast and definition between them. The peacock's crest, that funny-looking haircut or hat on its head, it's very beautiful and delicate. For me, it's one of the highlights of the drawing. I simplify the shape to come back later with more details. In the reference photo I'm using, the peacock's train was open, serving as a background for the portrait. Now I'm removing the excess graphite with a kneaded eraser so I can draw over my initial sketch with stronger, more definitive lines. In this stage, I'm adding more definition to the shapes I observed in the reference photo and outlined on the paper during the first sketch. This small eraser pen by Tonal is perfect for precise erasing in small areas. By the way, the list of materials is in the video description. In this stage, I'm also starting to add tonal value to the darker areas so the drawing can begin to take shape, as well as some textures to differentiate parts of the bird. For example, the feathers on its face, which I'm creating right now, will have a different texture from the peacock's train feathers. Now, you see me using different types of lines, like hatching and small circular strokes, to handle the textures I observed in the reference photo. For the feathers in the background, I used very light pencil pressure and a blending stamp to make them more diffuse and soft. I wanted the peacock's face to stand out more than the background, and one way to achieve that is by using lighter values and less contrast in this area. The beauty of a peacock isn't only in its color, so I really enjoy drawing this majestic bird in grayscale. By using different textures and tonal values, it's possible to create enough contrast and harmony that you can almost feel the colors. What about you? Do you think I did justice to this peacock in my graphite portrait? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one. Bye!